Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious Liberian banana bread. First, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and prepare a 9-inch loaf pan by greasing it well. Next, mash 2 to 4 very ripe bananas in a bowl. Then, in a separate bowl, whisk together your wet ingredients: eggs, milk, vegetable oil, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Now, let's prepare the dry ingredients. In a large bowl, combine 1 1/2 cups of cream of rice cereal, 1/3 cup of sugar, 1 teaspoon of ground ginger, and 1/2 teaspoon of nutmeg. Add 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Finally, pour the wet banana mixture into the dry ingredients and mix gently until just combined. With your batter ready, it's time to prepare for baking. Make sure your 9-inch loaf pan is thoroughly greased to prevent sticking. Carefully pour the banana bread batter into the prepared pan, distributing it evenly. You can gently smooth the top of the batter with a spatula to ensure it bakes uniformly and achieves a beautiful golden brown crust. Place your pan in the preheated 350-degree Fahrenheit oven. Bake for 35 to 45 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Once baked, let the bread cool in the pan for about 10 minutes before carefully transferring it to a wire rack to cool completely. Slice and serve this delicious Liberian banana bread warm, or store it in an airtight container for up to 2 days.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.